Hey guys, welcome. This is Naresh, your instructor for this course. So right now I will walk you through all the contents of this course so that you can know what you are learning. So the name of this course is Mobile Automation using Appium for SDET Bootcamp. And before we go ahead, let's understand what this Appium is and how do we use it for the mobile automation. So as written here, Appium is an open source mobile automation tool for testing native apps, and that app can be in the Android or it can be in the iOS. Appium internal use WebDriver JSON wire protocol. Okay, so this is one of the protocol which Appium is using, and this is the same protocol which has been used in the Selenium. So if you know Selenium already, that will be a cakewalk for you to go through this course. But even if you don't know the Selenium, I have tried to explain each and everything so that even though you don't know Selenium or Java, you should be able to learn this course successfully and able to implement this in your organization. Okay, so if you know Selenium, that is good, but if you don't know, that is also fine. Okay, and now let's see why this course is special. Okay, see, this course I have specially designed to take care of all the people who are learning Appium, whether they have a prior understanding of some automation tool or whether they are moving from the manual team or they want to learn something from the automation side. So I have just taken care of all those people so that I have explained each and everything from the scratch to the advanced so that it can be implemented and you can work in any organization who has the mobile automation. Okay, now I will just walk you through all the course content which I have. So if you see that mainly there are 5 sections in which I have divided my course, and the first section is the Appium Essential, and here if you see there are many chapters regarding the Appium. I have started from installing the Appium, and then if you see there are around 13 lectures in that which you can go through, and each and every lecture I have given my best to make you understand why they are used. And even if you see, it's not just the Appium but all the related automation tools I have also covered. Here I have also covered SonarQube, SonarLint, and also I have covered Jenkins and DevOps pipeline. If you go through this course, you will be able to understand those things also, which are very closely related to the automation. I have also make you understand for the TestNG. So those people who know TestNG already, if they have worked in the Selenium, it will be refresher for them. But if they do not know what this TestNG framework is, I have explained that also in this course. Okay, and now if you see that there is also a Maven which I have explained clearly, like what's the Maven architecture, what are the commands which you can use on the Maven, what is the eGit plugin which we used, and what are the different ways we can use Maven into a project. Okay, the commit strategy, as I said, that the eGit and even the GitHub, everything is explained very in detail in this course. So it's not just the Appium which you will understand, but you will also be able to relate how this Appium can relate to all the other tools and can integrate so that you can implement it into the practical life. Okay, and the end I have given the Appium interview questions answers. So this is basically the interview question which I take for any candidate, because I also interview many people, and these are the questions which I usually I ask to judge that people. So I have just given a reference for those also so that it can help you also to crack the interview. Okay, so this is the entire content, and I am very positive that if you go through this course from the beginning to the end, you will be able to understand the mobile automation and you would be getting a good job after this. Okay, and the last thing, this course is mainly I have focused more on the Android side, but once you have started working on the Android, you can implement the same thing into the iOS, because there is no difference between the coding which happens on the iOS and the Android. It's basically the same. It is just the setup which remains different, but it remains the same. So I have given more focus on the Android because nowadays there are more companies who are automating the Android. Okay, so I want you to just go through this tool and go through this course from the start to the end and understand the integration of this tool with the other tools available. so that I am giving you an entire package to you to understand from this Appium course. Okay, so from the next I will tell you how we can proceed further, how we can start with installation. So I hope that we would have a good and great journey if after this. So let's see, and let's all the best to all of you who are going through this course. Okay, all right, thank you.